Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to analyze documents with Claude AI. This is a quick and easy way to get feedback, identify weaknesses, and improve the overall quality of your document. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open the official Claude AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Claude dashboard, click on the attachment or plus icon next to the message box and upload the document you want to analyze. After the document has been uploaded, click on the search box and enter the following prompt. Research about this and find the gaps and let me know how to make it better with the right approach and structure. Analyze the document first. Now press enter. Claude AI will begin analyzing your document. It will review the content, identify missing information, point out weak areas, suggest improvements, and recommend a better structure and approach based on your document. You can also ask follow-up questions to get more detailed suggestions, rewrite specific sections, or improve the document even further until you're satisfied with the results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to analyze documents with Claude AI. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.